In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, to use split screen view, you need to tap on one of your apps and access it in the background. Now click on the top right corner of it to turn it into floating window. You can move your window around by holding this line at the top. Now select the other app, in my case Play Store. Finally, you can hold the same line at the top and drag the first app all the way up or all the way down. If you see this gray area, let go. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Lastly, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!